take a closer look at how thoughtful construction details can elevate an entire living space. From rounded window edges to perfectly aligned floor drains, every tiny element reflects a dedication to quality and precision. The curved corners by the windows don't just look beautiful, they soften harsh lines, make the interior feel warmer, and help prevent accidental bumps. Creating that smooth arc requires careful measurements, repeated sanding, and constant checks to ensure a seamless transition between wall and window frame. It's a subtle touch that makes the whole room feel more welcoming. On the floor, notice how the drain connects with the tiles through clean, hard joints. There are no awkward gaps or uneven edges, just a crisp, precise finish that keeps water flowing efficiently while making the surface easier to clean. This level of perfection demands skillful cutting, accurate placement, and patience during installation to get every detail just right. In the second clip, you'll see another floor drain design that aligns perfectly with the tile pattern, almost hiding the drain in plain sight. It's a clever blend of function and style, showing how good craftsmanship can make practical elements feel like part of the overall design. When you pay attention to these small details, the result is a space that feels intentional, comfortable, and built to last. True craftsmanship is found in the things we often overlook, yet they're what make a home feel complete.